Okay, so let's try something new. Let's try to see if we can award prizes to the best students in the class. So maybe we want to give not just one prize. So let's give a few prizes. Let's maybe say the top 3 students in the class. So what would be a good way to do that?
Top 3 students, but they all could be girls, all could be boys.
Yeah.
So I think we should ensure that at least, we could have 2 boys and 1 girl, 2 girls and 1 boy, but there should be representation. I think that we should take care.
Okay, so that's one thing. So there should be some.
There should be, so it can't be just the top. I mean, whatever top means, it can't be just the top 3.
Okay. So we want to be fair also in
Want to be fair,
to different categories. Okay. So let's say that we want the top 3 students, but there should be both boys and girls in the top.
In the top 3.
Okay.
Top 3, but again, top 3 means totals. You take the total marks and then find the best 3 total marks. If it turns out that there are boys and girls in that, then we are done. Is that the way?
Yeah, but somebody might do very well in one subject and not well in another subject. So we should also have some individual mark criterion, maybe not just. I mean, of course, we want to go by the totals, but we should also maybe ask that they do well individual subjects, not just in total, because there could be some wild fluctuations.
It may not be required that if they do well in all subjects, they are toppers in all subjects, they will be toppers overall.
Yeah.
So we don't need. So can we just say that they are toppers in one subject? Toppers means top 3, let us say, in one subject.
Okay.
And also top 3 in overall.
Okay.
And there is a mixture of boys and girls in the set. So if you want to give 3 prizes, let us say.
Okay.
The 3 prizes should satisfy the following 3 things. 1, all the 3 should be in the top 3 overall. I don't know if that works or not. May not work. We'll see as we go along. 2, they should be top 3 in at least one of the subjects.
Okay.
And there should be a representation of boys and girls in the set.
Okay. So how do we start now? So do we start by looking at the top 3 in each subject, or do we look at the top 3 overall to start with and then?
We can first just find the top 3 overall.
Okay, let's find the top 3 overall and see at least if we have both boys and girls in that list, and then we can come back and see about the top 3.
So there could be many cases, right? One is that the top 3 overall does not represent boys and girls. So there is, let's say it's all girls. Then what do? Then we may have to not just look at 3, we may have to look at 4, 5, till we find a boy, right?
Yes.
We may have to do that. The other possibility is that all top 3 have boys and girls in it. It's a good mix, but they are not the toppers in any subject.
Correct.
The toppers in any subject, the subject toppers are somebody else, right? There are other people who are subject toppers.
So then we'll have to again go back and
then
decide.
We may have to go back and redo the exercise again. Something you have to do.
Okay. So let's first do this top 3.
Let's do the top 3 and see what comes.
So what we will do is we will go through and we will keep track of the top 3 marks that we have seen at any given time.
Yeah.
Right.
How do we do that?
So I think
when we find the max.
When we did the max, we used to keep the largest one, compare each one with the largest one, and replace it if it is larger than the largest one.
Yeah.
Now here, if it is larger than the largest one, that becomes second, and then the second will become third. So I guess the third will become fourth, and we don't have to worry about it.
Which means you keep 3 cards aside.
Yeah. So we can keep the current first 3, and
keep
then
3 cards aside. Like we did for max, we kept 1 card aside.
Yeah. So we'll have like a max, second max, and third max. And
keep 3 cards aside.
Yeah.
And we compare each time with all the 3 cards, huh?
Yeah, because we might have to replace the second max and not the
We don't have to compare with all the 3 cards. If we kept it in decreasing order, we only have to compare with the last one.
Yes, but we still have to keep it second or third, we have to know, right? So
we have to keep in order. Let us say we keep the top, second and third. If you see either the card is
if it is below the third, we can
below
discard.
The third, we can discard it. So we only compare with the third card.
Yeah.
But if it is above the third, then it replaces something.
Yeah.
Then we have to check against with all 3.
So let's go
through it. Let's go through it and see.
So the first one at the moment is 196 is the largest one.
Okay. So right now it is the highest mark because we have not seen anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have 281, which is clearly higher. So let's keep it. Maybe we can keep it from left to right.
Left to right. 281 and 196. Okay.
Now we have 219, which is bigger than what we have there. So now we have the top 3 marks as 281, 219 and 196.
All right.
Now we have 261, so it's certainly bigger. So this 196 can go aside, and it is bigger than this. So we now have to replace this into second place.
Wow, this is interesting. So you are shuffling the cards, you are moving the card, you are assuming you are making sure that this is always
In top,
arranged in such a way that this is the highest, this is the next highest, and this is the third highest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have 216, which we start with the lowest one, and since it's lower than the lowest one, we don't.
We can discard it.
224
It's more than
is-
290.
Yeah, so certainly that
So
must
discard
go.
this.
But the next one is 261, so it remains in third place.
All right. Okay.
We have 174, which is lower than third place, so
So
it
you can
goes.
discard it.
Similarly, 221 can go.
Okay.
210 is also lower.
Okay.
209 is lower.
Okay.
Now we have 252, which is
More than
higher than
224.
that,
So this
but
goes.
it's less than 261, so it stays in third
All
place.
right. Okay.
And 250, which is lower than
this.
that.
Okay.
240, which is lower than that.
This is gone. Okay.
Now we have an interesting situation. This is 252, which is the same as that.
Ah, we saw this earlier also, similar type of thing. So what do? We keep both.
Yeah, I guess we cannot rule out one based on this. So
Let's
let's
keep
keep
both.
them both for now. So we have 2 places, 2 tied for third place.
Okay.
224 is smaller, so it should go. 198 is smaller, so it should go. 227 is smaller, so it should go.
Okay.
181 is smaller, so it should go. 244 is smaller.
Okay.
240 is smaller.
Okay.
210 is smaller. 204 is smaller.
Oh, I think we have got it.
188 is smaller.
Okay.
187 is smaller. Aha. Now we have 254, which is
So
bigger than, so these two
Both of them are gone.
go. But we should remember that that's a situation that we would have had to worry about. So we'll come back and discuss what to do about that. Now we have 276, which is
So
bigger
firstly
than,
it's bigger than this. So this is gone.
yeah, and
Bigger
it's all,
than this also.
so now we have to
So this-
rearrange that and make
this has
that
to go
third
here.
place. Okay. Now we have 227, which is smaller. 173, which is smaller.
Okay.
189, and finally 247.
Okay. So we got the top three.
Now we got the top 3, and we have
Rahul, male.
Rahul boy, Deepika and Abhirami, 2 girls. So
Oh,
at
so
least
we got
are
our mix.
We got our mix. So now what remains is to check
Check whether
whether each of them has got within the top 3 in at least one subject.
at least one subject.
So that means that maybe we should make note of these people's marks, maybe for now, so that we don't have to come back and do this again. So we have Rahul, right? So Rahul has, in order of maths, physics and chemistry, has 97, 92, 92, right? And the second is Deepika. She has 97, 91, 88, and finally we have Abhirami, who has
72.
72,
92.
92 and 97.
Now you know what? You need only take the lowest of this if you are going to do it actually, right?
Yeah,
And check whether that is
or the highest or the lowest.
lowest,
No,
right?
But we want
No.
only, we want at least one to be there.
At least one to be.
So for instance, if we expect that 97 will
okay.
be in the top 3 in maths, then we
Okay,
don't
okay.
have to worry about physics and chemistry.
Okay. So let's keep all three. We have to
So,
keep all
yeah,
three. Let's
because
keep
the
all
distribution
three.
of marks in each subject may also be different.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to see.
We have to see. Yeah.
So-
Okay. So what do we do now? So we got.
So now we have to do this same thing we have to do subject wise. So we have to find the top 3 in maths, the top 3 in
So
physics, the top 3 in chemistry.
We only
and
need to check that 97 is the max. What do we need to check? So you have to check that the 97
is in the top 3 in maths.
is in the top 3 in maths.
Otherwise, we have to check 92s in top 3 in physics and so on. So I think the best is that for each subject we calculate the top 3 and we can eliminate those who have passed the test.
So should we do one pass just finding the top
Yeah.
3 for all subjects?
Yeah, let's just do
Just
that.
like what we did
Yeah,
here?
exactly. So it's very similar to what we did for the total. We have to do the same thing for each
Okay.
subject now.
So
So let's do it for maths first and then see.
do we keep this card separately outside?
No,
can
we
mix
have,
it.
we
You
have,
have the
we have
names.
not,
Okay.
maybe I should write down the numbers so that we know that. 11,
Sequence 11, Abhirami is 18, and Deepika is 23.
okay.
Okay, so Okay, let's go through this.
Yeah.
Let's go through this. I'm just randomly moving it around. Go through these cards. You might want to keep track of the maximum.
Correct.
Maximum 3 maths, maximum 3 in physics. So maths 1, 2, 3, physics 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So we will do this instead of keeping them and do it all in one shot, right?
Try
so,
to do it all in one shot.
Okay. So,
So 1, 2, 3, we'll write like that.
okay, so, so we have 3 categories, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 1, 2, and 3.
And we'll keep changing the number of the card, right, as
Yeah.
we go along? Okay. All right. So we are starting with Akshaya,
So we have 71,
71,
92,
92,
and 84.
84.
So currently these are the first in all 3 categories.
All 3 categories, right?
Now here this is higher in maths, so we
74.
have to.
So replace 71 by 74.
So
right?
we put 74 and move
71
71
goes
to
to the next one. Yeah.
Yeah. 64 is now the second
64.
highest.
And chemistry 51.
51.
So second highest. Okay. Now Rida, maths 42,
So that is
third highest so
That's
far. Physics 53,
that's also third highest.
chemistry 78.
So now this replaces the second highest, which now moves to the third position. So after seeing 3 cards, these are our top 3.
Okay. Now we have Gopi 65.
So
Maths.
65 replaces the third, it's not second.
Okay. 65. Physics 73.
So 73 is
It's more
bigger
than
than
64.
Yeah, so we put 64 goes to second place, and now 73 is in second place.
All right. So we can, similar to what we did with the cards, now you're doing
Yeah, except we don't have, and we're doing it all at one time, we don't do it.
all
three-
doing it in one shot. Yeah. Chemistry is 89.
Okay, so now this is actually the
This is the
biggest
top
one.
one now,
So
huh?
now 89 comes here, 84 moves here, and 78 moves here. Okay.
Okay. Geeta 87.
So 87 is the highest we have seen so far. So again, we move all of them one position down and put 87 here. Okay.
75.
So 75 now comes in second place. So we have 73 in third place and 75.
92.
92 is the highest. So this 78 now goes. So this is now 84, 89, and 92.
Aditya 84.
So 84 now comes in second place compared
Okay,
to
so
this. So
74
this is
goes.
now 74 and this is 84.
Physics 92.
92, okay,
Already
so we have
there.
one more 92. So we'll just, should we
Keep-
record that we have 2, or we just want to know the top marks, so we don't need to keep it twice, it's okay.
No, but the top 3,
okay,
na, we
okay,
need.
so-
So there are
okay,
2 actually already. So 92, 92 and
Yeah, okay, so I just
75.
put-
Actually 73 may be knocked off.
uh,
Right now let's keep it.
Let's keep it.
Let's keep it.
And
76.
76, so 76 is out.
Out. Maths 93.
So now this becomes highest, so this goes, so now we have 84, 87 and 93, okay.
Physics 68.
68 is
is
too
lower.
low.
91.
91 is replaces 89 now. So 84 is gone, and now we have 91 over here.
Okay. Srinidhi 52 in maths is
No.
low. 64 in physics.
No,
71 in chemistry.
no,
Okay. Shashank 57 in maths.
No.
54 in physics. 77 in chemistry.
no,
Okay. Kavya 64 in maths.
no,
72 in physics.
no. 73 is the third.
68 in chemistry.
No.
All right. Rahul. Rahul was the topper, I think. No?
Ah.
97 in maths.
Okay, so now this becomes 97. So let us start from the right. 84 goes, becomes 87. 87 becomes 93, and the 93 becomes 97.
You're shifting, right? You're
Yeah,
shifting it.
Just shifting.
Physics 92. Okay, another 92.
One more 92. Okay.
Okay, that's right. Keep it. Okay. Chemistry also 92.
Here also we have one more 92. Okay.
All right. Bhuvanesh 68 in maths.
No,
Physics 64.
no,
Chemistry 78.
no.
All right. Ritika maths 87.
Well, that's a duplicate. Let's keep it.
Physics 64.
No,
Chemistry 89.
that's also a duplicate.
Sophia maths 89.
Aha. So now both these 87s go and get replaced by 89 in third place. Okay.
This is also 89.
Yeah, they were 87. So now this is 89.
Oh, 89. This is 93.
Yeah. So it's in third place.
Oh, third place.
Yeah.
Third place 89. You're right, actually. Physics 62. No.
That's gone.
chemistry 93.
Okay, so
Oh,
now this
93 is the
becomes
topper.
top place. So now we have
Both
90.
92s have
Yeah,
gone.
so we will
Now you have to move the 92s here.
move the 91 here, move the two 92s here,
Haha.
and now we have 93.
93 here. You have to move the two 92s. Okay,
Yeah.
two of them you have to move.
Yeah.
Priya 62,
No,
physics 62,
No.
chemistry 57.
no,
Okay. JK maths 74,
no,
physics 71, chemistry
no.
82.
Yes, physics is also below that. Yeah.
Okay. Harish maths 62,
No,
physics 45,
No.
chemistry 91. One more 91.
91 we have a second one here.
Okay. Gautami 76 maths,
No,
58 physics,
No.
90 chemistry.
No.
Yeah, marginal. Okay. Nisha 74 maths,
no.
physics 83,
83 is
83.
so now 75 moves down here and this comes into second place. Okay.
chemistry 83.
83 no.
Okay. Samir
81.
81,
Yeah.
physics 82,
Yes, so 82 now is in third place because there was already an 83.
chemistry 87.
No,
Okay. Clarence maths 63,
no.
physics 88, chemistry
yes, 88. Yes.
88. Okay.
So 82 gets replaced by 83 and 83 gets replaced by 88.
All right, very good. Chemistry 73.
No,
Okay. Jagan maths 81,
no,
physics 76,
no,
chemistry 52.
no,
Arshad maths 62,
No.
physics 81, chemistry 67.
No.
Monica maths 78,
No.
physics 69, chemistry 74.
no,
Siddharth 44, 72, 58.
no.
Okay. Naveen 72, 66, 81. 81?
No.
Okay. Tausif 87,
Hmm.
86,
86, yes, 86, is
86.
the
All
third,
right. Okay.
third place.
43.
No,
Vitrivel 56, 78, 62. No?
56.
78, 62.
No, okay.
Deepika.
Yeah.
Deepika is one of the toppers, right?
Yeah.
97.
Okay, so we have 97 again in maths.
Okay. 91.
Okay, so 91 now comes in second place in physics. So 86 becomes 88 and 88 becomes 91.
88. Okay.
88 is gone. Okay.
Abhirami, another topper, right? Abhirami, yeah.
yeah.
72,
No,
92.
yes, another last 92
Oh, all
here.
right. Chemistry 97. Oh, that's how she
Okay,
became
so,
topper.
okay,
There's no-
so
okay.
now we have to knock off the
91s
two
are gone.
91s. We have two 92s instead. Then we have a 93 and we have a 97. So now we can go back to our
now we
top
can-
three. So Rahul's 97 is the top mark in maths.
Okay,
So
so
he's
we can
okay.
tick- maybe we can
So
tick
we
that,
can
yeah.
tick that off. I'll just tick it off underneath. Similarly, Deepika's, she has, so Rahul actually doesn't have the other two because, oh, he does. He has a, actually, we can just mark it like that. So he has a top mark in chemistry also.
Okay.
It's a third mark.
Physics also.
Physics is 88.
92.
Oh, sorry, physics also. So he has top in all three. Okay. Deepika has 97 here. She is second in this, and she's not got a top 3 mark in chemistry.
So it's worth checking. Okay. Abhirami?
And Abhirami has not got in maths for sure because chemistry, yes, physics, yes, she's got the top mark, and chemistry, she is the absolute topper.
So it's good.
So
We
we have
found our
actually, yeah, but now we have these questions which we would have had they happened, like we found when the individual subject totals, we found like 4 people already have the top mark in physics at 92, and if we had to give 3 prizes, then what would we do? Would we give 4 prizes or would we have to use some
No,
other?
you could use a tiebreaker. No? So, for example, if all of them have equal mark in physics, then you can check who's got the better total,
Correct.
which is what we have done actually. But we started with the total first.
Yeah.
But had we gone with physics marks or
Yeah.
subject marks first,
Yeah.
we would have got this card and then we would have done a tiebreaker using,
Correct. Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So, currently, yeah,
Yeah, so we managed to get all the criteria that we wanted for this particular
Data set.
of data, but it could happen that some of the things that we noticed while we were going through could have happened.
So,
and-
one thing that could happen, for example, is that one of these people could have not got the highest in all 3. Then what
Correct.
would we do then?
Yeah, so that is a very good question. Then do we bring in a 4th person who has the next highest total, which is at least
Or we
1?
don't give that award at all.
That's also, so we
Isn't
can
it?
decide that.
So, we say we will give 3 awards, but again, you know, there is a problem there. If you say I am going to give only 2 awards, that both of them happen to be girls, again that is a problem.
Yeah, correct. So I think all these situations need to be thought about. So I think that's the most important lesson, I guess, that when you make these kind of choices, you have to also decide what is reasonable according to what you are trying to achieve.
So again here we have what we are seeing, right? We are seeing basically that we have a abstract problem we started with, right? We're saying can we give 3 prizes to students? Very
top 3 students.
Top 3 students. It's very common.
Yeah.
When you want to give prizes, it's a common problem, right?
Yeah.
And you see basically that it's the minute you start looking at the data, you find that it's not such an easy thing to do actually, because you have to come up with the right criterion. It has to be fair.
Correct.
And the criterion has to be such that it selects people unambiguously, right? I mean, it's not like, it should not be that somebody comes and contests, you are not able to defend why you are giving the prize to these 3 people and not to somebody else, right? So you should be able to defend it, and in this case we are able to defend it because we have the criteria is very clear. We are saying that they should be a topper, one of the top 3 in overall as well as one of the top 3 in at least one subject, and we are ensuring basically some amount of fairness by making sure that at least a boy and one girl is represented in the set, right?
Yeah. Good. So I think we were lucky that we got away with it, because if we had not done this, then we would have come into a question where somebody would have asked.
That's
us.
right. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.